Hello everyone, my name is Paul, and if you don't mind, I'd like to take up just a couple minutes of your time. So sit back, relax, and listen. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the people at Synergistic Healthcare. I know, you've heard it all before. Trust me, I said the same thing. Let's be honest, trying to find insurance we could rely on made us all experts in health coverage. But I'm here to tell you that there are still some people out there who care enough to do what's right. The program I'm going to tell you about was designed specifically by union leaders for union members. Did you catch that? Let me say that again. Designed specifically by union leaders for union members. When I heard that, I remember saying to myself, finally, somebody gets it. Anyway, I'm not here to tell you my life story. I just hope I've gotten your attention. Let's get started. Instead of explaining every detail of your new healthcare plan, I'm going to focus on the big picture. First, your primary healthcare coverage will not change, and neither will your providers. The folks at Synergistic Healthcare are simply changing the way your plan is funded and how the healthcare costs get paid. You'll be able to visit the same doctors who've treated you in the past or choose new ones if you'd like. In fact, you won't miss a beat. This will all happen without referrals and without co-pays. Second, you won't have any out-of-pocket expenses. Don't get me wrong. You will still have a deductible, and it's higher than your last one. But you will now receive the money to pay for it. Under this program, your Union Health and Welfare Fund will pay your deductible. The money will be deposited into your new individual healthcare savings account. So it's like not having a deductible at all. Under your old plan, you were personally responsible for your deductible, and once it was met, you continued to make co-payments. Your deductible amount and your co-payments were out-of-pocket expenses. But under your new program, the Union Trust Fund covers your deductible amount, and once your deductible is met, you won't have to pay any additional charges to network providers. In plain English, you won't have any out-of-pocket expenses at all. Next, you get to keep the money you don't spend. The money in your healthcare savings account belongs to you, and any money you don't spend is yours to keep at the end of the year. The money remains in your account and carries forward year after year, earning tax-free interest. You also can be reimbursed for expenses. You'll get a Synergistic Visa check card to access your healthcare savings account fund. But if you don't pay for your qualified medical expenses with money from this account, make sure to save your receipts. You can always reimburse yourself at any time. And finally, you'll have more resources and better service than ever before. All of this is part of something called the Synergistic Advantage. They pride themselves in offering you much more than your previous benefits packages. Here are just a few of the differences. They have created a 24-hour medical assistance hotline. What does this really mean? It means that any time of the day or night, medical advice is a phone call away. We all have experienced some type of health problem and wish we could speak with someone right then. But short of waking up a friend or family member, who was there? Now there's someone. Staffed by nurses and physician assistants, they can answer your questions and offer advice exactly when you need it. Just rest easy. They're there for you, and they want to help. Now, let's say you just have some questions about the program. They've covered that too. They offer live customer service representatives that are available to help you with whatever questions you might have. You can talk to a real person again. This is just one more example of the personal touch that makes the people at Synergistic Healthcare stand out above the rest. In addition, not only you, but also your spouses and dependents will have access to their own personal health advocate. This is a revolutionary healthcare resource designed with your needs in mind. It significantly streamlines your healthcare needs by putting the personal back in personal healthcare. One phone call to your health advocate can save you time and hassle. You'll have access to a wide variety of health information on diseases and what treatment options are available for a variety of illnesses and conditions. Not only that, some of the services that your advocate can provide assistance with include scheduling specialist appointments and transferring medical records. The service doesn't stop there. In addition to their outstanding customer service, they have provided a number of tools to help you understand and manage your health care from the convenience of your home. With the latest in technology at your fingertips, you can access your personal account safely and securely online, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at synergistic.healthcare.com. Once you've logged into your account, it's easy to view information like your account balance or other helpful pages like Synergistic's web tools. Just select the prescription drug pricing tool and you'll have the opportunity to compare prescription drug prices to ensure that you are receiving the lowest prices available for prescription drugs. Or select the medical cost savings tool and you're able to compare the average cost for office visits, inpatient and outpatient procedures, X-rays, MRIs, and surgery. Well, that kind of wraps it up. Just keep in mind that this program was specifically designed for you, and with it, you have control over your own money. You can visit the same doctors. You don't need referrals. You no longer have a copay. You have no out-of-pocket expenses. The money in your account belongs to you. You get to keep your unused money year after year, and you can save money on a tax-free basis. I'm going to keep my promise to make this brief, but I hope that I've given you some helpful information. If you have any questions, all you have to do is ask. Thanks for listening, and remember, health is wealth.